Hey Brick fans, Paldo here, back with part 2 of the Santa's Workshop build. That is set 40565. I did say I was going to do something a little bit different on the second part of this, and that different thing is I went ahead and skipped ahead to the interesting stuff. Most of this build is time-wise is pretty straightforward. Brick wall, this cool toy conveyor belt chute thing. Just a workstation. But there were a couple of parts of the build that I thought were really especially neat. First one I wanted to show you is over here on this big open wall. That's actually where a set of working Lego sliding doors go. Just built the doors here. You can see they have cute little Christmas wreaths on them. And then you have another track that goes on top. You can see they're sitting on a black track. Let me pan out a little bit so that you can see that. So you can see it's sitting on a piece of black track. We've got another piece of black track that locks into place above it, and that will just hold those doors in place so they can't slide out of the ends, but they still, as you can see, they slide super easy. I'm actually almost tempted to put stops in somehow so that they can't do that double slide thing, but I haven't quite figured it out. Not really all that quick to want to modify the workshop that much, although I had some extra pieces, so I built some extra presents. The other really neat feature are these roof pieces that slant up at the top there. See if you can see those. They come in at an angle, and the way that they do that is it's just a simple clip piece, but then it has these slope pieces underneath it, so the clip basically can't move more than that much. And it gives the illusion of a nice peaked roof. And then to complete the effect over here on the side, we have a panel that will also snap into these clip mounts that you built into the wall, and then it just flips down, and there you go. There you go. So yeah, that is the Santa's Workshop build. It was a lot of fun to put together. Doesn't have a whole bunch of play features. This piece slides. There's a drop down door thing for the conveyor belt. That's kind of neat. These sliding doors again, which I just love, and I'm going to end up using that in some kind of other build as soon as I get some more of those track pieces. Yeah, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before I go, I want to give a quick shout out to Brit Brick. He checked out the second haul video that I threw up last night, and he thought that was a pretty good haul. He's got a lot of great videos on Lego Star Wars, especially. If you're into the Star Wars stuff, go check that out. He's also got a really great video about mental health in the Lego community. Yeah, just I was really glad to get the comment. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I did too. I have quite a few back here in the corner. We get some light going back there. As you can see, I've got a lot of sets to show you guys builds on, but I do want to try and experiment with maybe doing a sped up video for that, so that things don't go quite as long. All right, guys, it's been wonderful building with you. I'm gonna shut this down, put this guy away in a baggie. I'm not actually going to sacrifice him back into the bin, although I might sacrifice the additional pieces that I have right there for that. But yeah, this guy goes into a bag, and I'm going to put him away because I think it'd be a lot of fun to build this every year. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Paldo out.